In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all databases in Notion. If you've ever wanted a quick way to view the databases you already have inside your Notion workspace, this method is simple and very effective. You're not creating anything new from scratch here. Instead, you're using Notion's built-in linking feature to surface a list of your existing databases so you can find what you need faster. To begin, open Notion and go to an empty page. If you don't already have one ready, just create a blank page anywhere in your workspace where you can safely work without affecting your existing setup. Starting from an empty page makes this easier because it keeps the screen clean and helps you focus on the options you need. Once the blank page is open, click directly on the page so your cursor is active. Then type a /. In Notion, the / command opens a menu of blocks and tools you can insert into the page. This is one of the fastest ways to access different content types, including database views. After that, type the word table. As you type, Notion will begin filtering the available options and show you results related to tables. This helps narrow things down quickly, especially if the / menu is showing a lot of choices. When you see the option for table view, click on it. This tells Notion that you want to insert a table-style database view onto the page. Don't worry, this still doesn't mean you're making a brand new database if you don't want to. The next option is what matters. Now click on Link to existing data source. This is the key step. Instead of creating a new table, you're asking Notion to connect this page to data that already exists somewhere else in your workspace. It's a really useful option when you want visibility without duplicating content. As soon as you do that, a list will appear showing all of your existing databases. From there, you can browse through them and select the one you want to open or link. This gives you a convenient overview of what's already available in your workspace and can be especially helpful if you've built a lot of pages over time and can't remember where a specific database lives. That's all it takes. Open a blank page, use the / command, search for a table, choose table view, and then link to an existing data source to reveal your databases. It's a fast and clean way to locate what you already have in Notion.